Okay, so this video, I just thought I would install my Mohawks onto my new open face helmet here. What's it called? This is the way they come. They're what is that? I don't know how long that is. 18 inches or something. But see, look how it looks. I think that looks horrible. That is not the way a Mohawk looks. It's not the way a Mohawk's supposed to look. A real Mohawk goes all the way down back. So I bought 2 of them, and I can't wait. I think it's gonna look pretty awesome, but I'm not sure. So gonna install these. Don't know how to. Okay. Damn it. How's this? Okay. It looks good. I like it, even though it's like it's all stupid. I actually enjoy that look. It looks pretty cool. Now the only thing with this is that when I flip the visor up, see, that's pretty much probably as good as it gets. I want it to go all the way up front, and when I do install it to go all the way to the front, I won't be able to open the visor. So every time I want to open the visor, I would have to like peel this down, push it down, and then peel the. But I'm like really adamant, like I want it to go all the way. So yeah. Okay. More or less right here. I'm gonna be wasting a lot of my Mohawk. I didn't even know that. I didn't realize that. Okay. That goes on there. I'll do this and then cut this about right here. Oh yeah, that is how a Mohawk is supposed to look right there. That looks legit. Let me go show the girlfriend. How's that?
How dare you?
Oh
Wait,
damn.
you just fired me?
Was good?
Fired in a couple hours when I come back.
Muy bien, eh?
Muy bien.
Gracias. I'm pretty stoked with it. Looks good. Okay, just wanted to make a quick video of the Mohawk. Oh, and I forgot to mention LexRevz shirts. Sweet. So everything's done, everything's in. Can you hear me? So yeah, those will be up on the website. Still gotta take photos of everything. But pretty much it for tonight. Thank you for watching. See you next time.